Hey up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be fitting Halfords Universal MudFlaps that you can pick up for £15 a pair. Absolute bargain. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to jack the car up just enough so you can get the wheel off, so as long as there's a gap beneath the wheel, it should be okay. Once the car is jacked up, we're then going to remove all the bolts from the wheel. A good tip to do is undo the bolts, loosen them off when the car is on the ground before you jack up. Makes it easier. If not, put it in gear if it's front wheels, or make sure your handbrake's on if it's the back wheels, and they should be able to come off pretty easily. Once the bolts are removed, place the wheel out of the way, ready to fit the mud flaps. Here you can see the mud flaps. They already have 2 holes drilled in. This could be your first 2 holes that you're going to fit. Mark them out using the drill, making sure the mud flap is square and in the right position. And then go ahead and drill the lining of your arch, making sure that you check first that there's nothing behind the arch, so you don't damage whatever is behind the arch. Once the holes are drilled, we're then going to go ahead and push in the little attachments that you get with your kit. These are what's going to flare out and hold the arch, hold the flaps in place. Push these through the flap, then push them through the arch lining. It might be a bit difficult, but a bit of force and it'll go in eventually. Once these are fitted into the lining, we're then going to put the screws in, and this flares out the little clips, making it fit securely onto your lining of your arch. We're then going to go ahead and drill 2 more holes in a suitable position. This will be another further 2 clips to hold on your mud flap. It might be a bit difficult on your rear of a MK3 Focus ST, as the lining is set much further back than the top mount, so it makes it a little bit difficult, but it can be done elsewhere on the arch. Once the holes are drilled, for your second 2 holes, fit the little grubs and then push them onto the lining and through your flap. Then attach the screws, making sure all the screws are tight, and then that is your mud flap fitted. We're then going to put the wheel back on, fitting all the nuts, making sure they're tight-ish before we drop the car back down. We'll then drop the car down nice and gently, and we will tighten the wheel nuts up. And that, guys, is how you fit universal mud flaps from Halfords. Not the longest of videos, but just a quick video to show you how it can be done, and much cheaper. I think the average price for a pair of mud flaps made for this car is like £100. These were £15 a pair. Absolute bargain. If you've got any questions guys, leave them in the comments. Please leave me a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.